Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you 2 ways to install FL Studio, a powerful digital audio workstation for music production.
Due to YouTube's rules, I can only show the first method here. The second method is available in my Telegram channel, the link is in the description.
Let's get started. Open your browser and go to the official FL Studio website, imageline.com. You'll find the link right at the top of the video description. Scroll down and click Get the Trial. Choose your operating system, Windows or Mac OS. The installer will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open the file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The FL Studio Setup Wizard will open. Click Next, agree to the license terms, and choose where to install the program. I recommend keeping the default settings. During installation, you may see some optional components. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Need help with this step? There's a full walkthrough in my Telegram channel. Check the pinned post. Once installed, FL Studio will launch automatically. The free version includes most features, but to unlock the full version and remove limitations, check out the second installation method, available only on Telegram due to YouTube's policies. If this guide helped you out, please leave a like, and make sure to visit my Telegram channel for the second method. Thanks for watching.